While venturing upon the path of digital transformation, companies within the electronics manufacturing services begin to recognize the importance of line controllers, which offers a viable and practical solution to optimize their manufacturing lines. Despite the immense potential held by line controllers, EMS companies might still face resource limitations compared to original equipment manufacturers when implementing large-scale automation solutions. Taking this into consideration, the strategic implementation of line controllers can help address these challenges. Line controllers can work harmoniously with most existing equipment, without requiring a major overhaul of the production line. This way, EMS companies can gradually adopt automation solutions at a pace that aligns with their available resources and budget constraints, providing the flexibility to scale automation efforts incrementally. With the right solutions, you will gain the following benefits. Gain immediate access to your entire line performance. Enable machine-to-machine communication for more advanced line control capability. Ready for end-to-end manufacturing digital continuity solutions in the future. Adopt automation solutions at a pace that aligns with business demand. A powerful manufacturing solution equipped with out-of-the-box line controller functionality enables you to gain better visibility over your entire manufacturing line, allowing users to access the equipment state, process throughput, as well as any alarming issues that may arise with a secure internet connection anywhere and anytime. Moreover, automation at the equipment level is often equipment supplier dependent. Production lines consist of several types of equipment, which can be sourced from various suppliers, but communication, data interchange, and control may be limited to a selected equipment supplier. With Camline's solution, you get to achieve a more comprehensive end-to-end manufacturing digital transformation journey, facilitating machine-to-machine communication and control across upstream and downstream equipment. Also, the line controller in the software-as-a-service model enables faster adoption in manufacturing. This solution is scalable to support growth in volume and complexity with less internal effort for maintenance. You can now optimize your line manufacturing processes in an effortless way and better plan for your smart factory. Let's embrace line controllers as part of the Industry 4.0 paradigm. This solution empowers you to embark on a gradual and sustainable automation journey, ultimately achieving greater efficiency in the long run. Want to learn more? Let's get in touch. Visit camline.com. Work smarter, achieve more.